तो नमस्कार, क्या हाल चाल है आप सभी का। उम्मीद करते हैं कि आप लोग बहुत अच्छे हैं। तो आज हम एक ऐसे पर्सन का इंटरव्यू लेने जा रहे हैं जो रियली में बहुत डेडिकेशन होगा, बहुत अच्छा होगा। तो जितने लोग चाहते हैं कि अच्छा इंग्लिश बोलें, आपको बहुत सारे बेसिक इन्फॉर्मेशन मिलेंगे आज इस वीडियो के थ्रू। प्लीज़ वीडियो पे बने रहिए। हम सब्सक्राइब और लाइक करने के लिए नहीं बोलेंगे, अगर आपको रिजल्ट मिलेगा तो आप करिएगा। दिस वीडियो इज वेरी यूजफुल, देन यू कैन डू आल सब्सक्राइब एंड शेयर विद अपार्ट फ्रॉम यू डोंट डू लाइक दिस। ठीक है। इंग्लिश टोटल इंग्लिश इंटरव्यू टोटल इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज में होने वाले हैं, ये हिंदी लैंग्वेज में नहीं होने वाले। तो आज आपको बहुत सारे वर्ड मीनिंग्स वर्ड और कैसे इंटरव्यू दिया जाता है, कभी बड़े एकेडमीज या एनडीए सीडीएस के थ्रू एसएसबी आप काउंटर करते हैं, या आईएएस पीसीएस में देते हैं, सीएपीएफ कैट में देते हैं, या अच्छे प्लेस पे देते हैं। तो आज मैं सिखाऊंगा आपको कैसे इंटरव्यू दिया जाता है। आपके सामने इंटरव्यू होगा, तो प्लीज़ आइए बनते हैं, आइए। Hello.
Hi, sir.
Please come here. Please come closer now.
Yes.
Okay. Hello.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Okay. Please speak loudly.
Yes, sir.
Are you comfortable?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So in this PIQ, your name is Mahima Gupta.
Yes, sir.
You come from Naukatola, Jurashakla, and you are state UP, and you belong Kushinagar district,
Yes,
right?
sir.
And you read class 8.
Yes, sir.
Your father name is Mr. Om Prakash Gupta, and there are 10 members in your family also.
Yes,
You are
sir.
mentioned in this PRQ. You
Yes.
mention also,
Yes, sir.
and you are a very good professional communicator in English, and you also teach. So जितने बहुत सारे PRQ में आपका फिल किया गया है, और your hobby is that reading book, English communication. You want to become IAS officer.
Yes, sir.
So ये आपका PIQ है, और आपने इसमें सब कुछ मेंशन किया है। So please let's start. First of all, I ask you a question. How are you?
I am fine, sir.
Please speak loudly.
I am fine, sir.
Okay. Also you are fine. Very nice. And what is your name?
My name is Mahima Gupta.
Your name is Mahima Gupta.
Yes, sir.
And what is your father name?
My father's name is Mr. Om Prakash Gupta.
Okay. I will ask you 5 questions continuously. Firstly, you have to watch all questions, then give answer one by one. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. First of all, what is your father name? What do your father, and what is your father, and how relation between you and your father?
Firstly, my father's name is Mr. Om Prakash Gupta. He's a simply farmer, and he is very honest man. And between me and my father's, firstly, relation daughter and fathers, and second guidance.
Okay. And how relation between you and your father?
Firstly, relation me and my father's.
It means my intention is that how close, because of there are many boys and girls in your home, your brother and sister. So with everyone so deeply, it is relation you are so close. Largely, it's Papa ke pari.
No, sir. Everyone is close for my father. Yes.
And what you learn from your father every day?
Every day I learn my father. My father is simply farmer,
Yes,
but
yes.
he always teach to me how to talk to any other people and how to deal society because we are living society.
Okay. Where you come from?
I come from Jurashakla.
Okay.
Yes.
You are a girl,
Yes.
but you are speaking very good English.
Thank you, sir.
Must every people would like to speak like you English or not? Please say on the camera.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Everyone need to speak English.
Yes, sir.
So suppose that communication only popular in the rural area. It means city areas, shahar area, towns, and very necessary places. So it is important rural area also, and bridge area it is needed.
Yes, sir. Everyone's need for English communication.
Yes, everyone need to English
Yes.
communication. Okay, so can you give some tips and tricks people who watch you? So how to speak like you, and how boost and communicate and speak fluent English?
Firstly, I want to say
Please say on the camera.
Firstly, I want to say we have to follow our teachers, it means guiders rule, and we should do like this our guiders, and some trips we have to follow like as learn many vocabs means word meaning, and also learn grammar, every grammar's book.
Grammar.
Yes.
Okay. You say this process is so difficult. It is
Yes.
easy or difficult?
सर डिफिकल्ट है बट जो मेहनत करता है उसके लिए easy
जो मेहनत करता है उसके लिए so easy.
है। Yes, sir.
Okay, now which approach you follow?
My guidance approach.
Okay. And okay, cut to the chest. Cut to the chest. I am going to talk about with you. Your family, some basic information.
Yes, sir.
Only basic information. And how many members there are in your family?
In my family there are 10 members.
You also mentioned in this VIP 10 members.
Yes, sir.
How many people and a male and female there?
In my family only 2% male and everyone is female.
Okay. And it means 8% is female and 2% is male.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So there is a joint family, nuclear family.
Nuclear family but large family.
Nuclear family but
Yes,
large
sir.
family. Okay. And for you and for your syllabus, for your goals, your father what give tips and tricks to your always?
My father always supports me in my study, in my life, and in my hobbies. Like as I like it to drive bike. My father also support me, and my father always support me in my study. Like as in many times he said, "जाओ बैठ के पढ़ लो, दूसरा कोई काम कर लेगा."
Wow, it's very good word. Okay. What is your hobby?
My hobbies is reading book, speaking English. Yes, sir.
Okay. What you want to become?
I want to become IAS officer.
Okay, IAS officer.
Yes, sir.
Who say your father?
My guider.
Support your father say you have to not do like this work, and your guider do like this work. So how it will be possible?
My father's never say like this.
I hope.
Yes,
Okay, your hobby is speaking English and reading book.
Yes, sir.
Anytime you read any special book, who is so motivated you after reading?
I read many books in my life, but I like one point. Everyone say I see humans, but not humanity. This point I like it.
Oh, what is the meaning in Hindi?
मैंने मनुष्य को देखा है लेकिन मनुष्यता नहीं देखी है।
Yeah, that is right. So what you would like to modify our society? It means to change the people thought. Suppose that I make you a DM, district magistrate,
Yes.
within the some days.
Yes.
So that condition, what approach you will choose to modify people's and change people's mind? Suppose I make you a DM.
Firstly, I will gather assembly, and I will aware about education, because in education is everything, all in our life. So first step my education, and second I will tell about how to deal society, like as small brothers, how to speak with small brothers and elder brothers, and so this is it.
Okay. So you say its character is the most important of the
Yes.
role. Our society, the people character, how is that? So people copy is that immediately. Yes.
We should make our character like as Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam and Swami Vivekananda.
But in society, some people, they have not anything. What do you mean anything? It means knowledge, not a
Yes.
property,
Yes.
wealth. Only health is a property.
Yes, sir.
Okay, if you have health, then you have the property. If you have not health, you have not a property. According to me. Okay, cut to the chest. And in which class you study?
I read in standard 8.
So you mentioned here in VIP class 8. And what is your favorite syllabus?
Every syllabus is my favorite, but I like it English.
English. Why you like English?
It is. I like it because I'm interested in English, and I'm interested to speak English, so I like it.
Okay. Okay, cut to the chest. And if I'm talking about some geographical necessary, so how many states in India?
28.
Okay. Who is the Prime Minister of India? And recently,
Yes, sir. Mr. Narendra Modi.
what is your full name?
Mr. Damodar Das Narendra Modi.
Okay. Who is your CM?
My CM,
Yes.
Mr. Yogi Adityanath.
Okay. From where?
UP.
Okay. Okay. Now I would like to ask you some basic GK questions.
Yes, sir.
May I ask?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And who make Agra ka Taj Mahal?
Who make
Who make? By whom established Taj Mahal?
Shah Jahan
For whom?
for their wife? Yes, sir.
Okay. And do you know Everest, Mountain Everest?
Yes, sir.
What is the length of Mountain Everest?
It means 88, 50, 48.
Yes.
No, 86, 48.
80.
6, 48.
You are come. Please say. May I not on your PIP?
Yes.
Will you remember?
86?
84885.
No, sir. It is 86, 48.
No. 488550. Okay. You have to go and check it. Understood? Okay. Cut to the chest. And how many? Who is your Sarpanch in the recently?
Yes, sir.
Head of Sarpanch.
Mr. Sonu Gaur.
How the relation from your family that guys?
In good relation.
Okay. Supported. I make you a Sarpanch. So what will you do for our village?
Firstly, I will try to clean our village.
Because your village is so dirty.
No so dirty, but dirty. Because, and
Which condition your village is so dirty?
like it's, many people throw garbage on the road and on the ponds.
Okay. What disease directly attack on the people heartbeat and the minds? And which problem? In which problem? And what problem that?
Due to the pollution, causes of many diseases like as it direct attack on internal organs like his brain and also heart, lungs, and lungs is also affected from pollution.
In this PIP you also fill you want to become IAS officer.
IPS.
IPS, sorry, IPS.
Yes, sir.
Okay. For you, which resources you necessary to counter and qualify first attempt or IPS?
First, my resource is my guider.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
And second,
Second, my father.
what you have any plan B?
No, sir. I have no any plan B.
Why you not choose the plan B?
I have confidence. Definitely, I will achieve our goal. So I have
Suppose
no
you
any-
would fail.
No, sir. Here is no matter of suppose.
What is your biggest fear in life?
My biggest fear. सर हमारी हिंदी में बोलते
Yes.
हमारी एक ही सबसे बड़ी डर है वो ये है कि कहीं हम अपने गोल को फुलफिल किए बिना ही मर न जाए बस ये है
Nice. Nice. Apart from it, can do?
यस सर
Okay. And you have friend? Male and female?
आई हैव वन फ्रेंड
Male or female?
फीमेल
Female. What is name?
नेम राधा
Radha.
यस सर
And how many days, how many year, how many month you make friend her?
सर
How old are her and you? And what is the communication with you?
कम्युनिकेशन सिंपली हिंदी
Okay, you are not talking with English, sir?
ओनली सम टाइम
Sometimes. So what is looking unique in Radha then you make our friend?
सर इज हॉट इज वेरी क्लियर
Heart
एंड
is
इज
very-
ऑलवेज स्पीक ट्रूथ
True.
दिस पॉइंट आई लाइक इट
But in this world, people who speak truth, then people also criticize these people.
I don't know, but I know Radha and ourselves.
Okay, some problem is going on our society. And which people with you do and stay very loyally. So why people so chill with you and say like this? What's the problem?
Because that people say like this, whose people's definitely not educated. That people say like this.
That is very biggest problem.
Yes, sir, biggest problem.
Cameraman are doing like this work because okay. I have a very important point to you.
Yes, sir.
And what is the biggest river in the world?
Biggest river, Nil Nadi.
In which continent is established?
Asia continent.
Say, think again. You are
Zero. Sorry, sir, Africa.
And do you know about Mahatma Gandhi?
Yes, sir, I know.
Can you explain something about Mahatma Gandhi?
Yes, sir, I can explain. He's very good person in their time, and sir, I want to speak in Hindi.
Okay.
सर वो बहुत ही अच्छे इंसान थे, लेकिन उन्होंने स्वतंत्रता के विरुद्ध अपनी सब कुछ छोड़ दिया। जैसे कि वो बैरिस्टर थे, अफ्रीका में जाके वो पढ़े थे, साउथ अफ्रीका में, और 1915 में वो वहाँ से जब आए और भारत की कंडीशन को जब देखे वो, तो अपनी सब कुछ छोड़ दिए और वो साधारण मतलब सिंपल व्यक्ति का जीवन स्पेंड करने लगे। लेकिन इतना कुछ करने के बावजूद भी उन्होंने बहुत कुछ किया हमारे कंट्री के लिए, लेकिन इतना कुछ करने के बावजूद भी इंडिया के जो सम लोग हैं, मतलब कुछ लोग हैं, वो उनके बारे में गलत कहते हैं कि उन्होंने कुछ नहीं किया। अगर वो चाहते तो जो 2 लोगों की फांसी हुई थी, लोगों की उनकी फांसी को रोक सकते थे, और मतलब उनको बुरा भला भी कहते हैं। ये सही नहीं है, क्योंकि उन्होंने बहुत कुछ किया हमारे लिए।
Okay. So tell me some importance what you do for people.
Firstly, he said Western education focus on only reading and writing, no any impact of practical knowledge. And he said he want to Indian learns Indian language, not Western language like English. And he want to make our India very perfect, like as and he also want to make India independence. Then.
Suppose I have one SRT situation reaction test question for you.
Yes, sir.
You have to, I would like to ask this question.
Yes,
Then
sir.
you have to put our effect and our huge mind and run away and came out this matter. Okay, my question for you. You suppose that times your father threw out from your home room. So that condition, what will you do?
That condition I will take help of our guidance.
What will you take to help?
So I will take help of our guidance
Which type help?
in study.
Suppose that your guardian not give the help, what will you do?
My parents never do like this.
Suppose that your father safe from always your home throughout. That time what will
Sir,
you do?
definitely I will do with our guidance.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Why you not make satisfied our father?
I will satisfy, but it is situation.
That is.
Yes, sir. That is.
So according to me, that is situation, it is wrong answer. Firstly, you have to convince our father and ask the problem why you threw out from homes and what I done mistake. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Then our father also, hey, people is 99% people what you can collect and achieve with lovely. And only 1% people who have not heard, then you can't achieve these people.
Who have not heard, sir? Can you explain, please?
Everyone have heard, I know, but some is Darinda. Do you know this word? Darinda, which is very biggest case happened in India, like Kolkata, you can see that. That times the people have no heart. That like Darinda, animals.
Yes, animals have also heard.
Okay, my next question is situation reaction test. I again would like to ask a question. You have to put out our effect and go from and input, put our input and go from there and use your mind this situation. That is situation.
Yes, sir.
If I give you responsibility to you protest every girls, women, understood? So what effectively will you do? Because you have not anything. You have not source, you have not communication with people, you have not identified these people, people don't enter with you. So that time you are simple man, not know you people about in your village. In our village don't know people you. So that condition, you only one people, you know also ourselves. But everyone don't know about you. That what will you do to protest girls and safe women empowerment? You have any reply? Please.
Firstly, I will do something for our village. After that, some people know me. And then with some people, I do again something. Then many people know me. And I use social media with people.
That like social media?
Yes, sir.
Is popular?
Yes, sir. And then I motivate girls. And
Any government authority you will be choose to appear here?
What?
Any government rules you will choose and appear here? Put our mind. आप कोई गवर्नमेंट का सहारा लेंगे?
I will take help of our defense minister, Mr. Rajnath Singh.
So that is a sector, defense minister work only for the Indian army. Understood? Not for women empowerment,
Why?
because that is the other process.
Then I will take help of our CM.
Yes, you can take our CM and you can follow. So Dej Pata and women empowerment also. There are many rules and regulation for the law. Understood?
Yes.
And you have the fundamental right. You can aware our every girls, motivate our girls to do like this. Okay. And my question is that you, why every day is held many road accident? What reason? You have question answer?
Yes, sir, I have answered. Firstly, people are also responsible for this habit because every people use headphone, cell phone during the driving and riding vehicles. This is the main causes of road accident, and every people used to ride and drive by very speed.
Very good.
And the government is also responsible only in few amounts.
How old are you?
I'm 30 years old.
Only you 13-year-old.
Yes, sir.
So you have the good communication, good knowledge within the 13 years. Every responsible, who every matter are responsible?
My guider.
Totally your guider. If I say you on the percentage, if compare with your father, so how many percentage you will give our father and how many percentage give you our guider?
Equal percentage I will give our fathers and mine.
How many?
Equal, 50-50.
Why not give your father 70?
No, sir, because my father is my inside guider and my guider is.
What difference between both guider?
And my father's teach only inside the
How?
home, and my guiders teach every place.
But both teach you only same word, no?
No, sir. My father teach only how to deal society and how to talk to elder, and only some moments my father share with me, like a dispute and many peoples and how to counter. But my guider outside my guider teach to me how to teach people's students and how to give intro and how to learn any syllabus and how to become perfect man. And, this is
What do you do, your mother?
अभी तक तो कुछ नहीं किया है.
आपकी मम्मी क्या करती है?
मेरी मम्मी, my mother is householder.
Your mother is?
Householder.
So what you learn from your mother every day?
Every day I learn many things. My mother's always wake up in the morning in home.
Okay, I got. And why you not choose Indian Army, Air Force, Navy, UP, Police, etc. examination? Why you also choose UPSC, IPS?
Because I'm interested. It's my dream.
Okay, you are interested. Do you know there is many challenges came into your life when you start preparation UPSC?
Yes, sir.
So
That time-
you can do?
Yes, sir, I will.
You have believe?
Yes, sir, I will.
So but you are 13-year-old, no?
Sir, I will manage.
You can manage.
Yes, sir.
Okay, nice to talk with you. Do you have any questions to ask me?
No, sir, I have no any
Yes.
questions, but I have one doubt.
Yes.
Sir, how to increase writing speed?
Because which approach I follow when I write a CV.
Yes, sir.
Why I am writing the UPSC means by the CBS and that. So my journey was that. So when do you know music?
Yes, sir.
When I get up every day in the morning, then I use the headphone and without headphone, and I took the white page like this. That is rough, but I white page. Then I took a pen, and when I start listening this song, with the song I start writing. So wrong, don't mind. गलत हो रहा है, सही हो रहा है, अच्छा छूट जा रहा है, शब्द नहीं समझ में आ रहा, don't mind. बट गाने की स्पीड से मैं लिखना करता था। 1 महीने नहीं हो पाया, 2 महीने नहीं हो पाया, 3 महीने, मैं कंटिन्यू साल भर मेहनत किया उस सॉन्ग के साथ, और आज ऐसा होता है कि सॉन्ग से फास्ट में लिखता हूँ। दैट इज माई कंडीशन, बिकॉज प्रैक्टिस मेक्स मैन परफेक्ट। जितना आप हार्ड वर्क करेंगे उतना होगा। सो दैट इज अ वेरी simple idea. So start music, and why, which resources is music, and we start saying like this word. So within 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, you can achieve our goal, but don't quit. Understood? So thank you. This is
Thank you, sir.
nice to talk to you. अगर वीडियो अच्छा लगे तो शेयर करिए, सब्सक्राइब करिए। अगर ऐसे वीडियो और पाना है प्लीज़ वीडियो तक बने रहिए, बात मत कीजिए, सपोर्ट करिए।